How to send money from Skrill to Wise. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I would show you how you can send money from your Skrill account to your Wise account. So kindly watch to the end. So the first step is to ensure that you've installed the Skrill application on your device. And once you have that done, just go ahead and open the app. So once you open the app, you'll be brought automatically to the home page or to the last page. That is the last stuff you did on the application. Whichever one, just ensure that you find your way back to the home page. On the home page, you'd see your wallet address at the top part of the screen, and then below it, you'll see three icons, namely add, transfer, and then exchange. By the time you scroll down, you'll see other functions that you can do on your Skrill account. So once you can see all of this, you can see three icons, right? When you click on add, this is to add money to your wallet. That is to deposit money into your wallet using your payment card, using your card or using bank account, whichever method. And then another way is by transferring. Now, once you click on transfer, you'll be able to send money to yourself. That is from your balance to your card or to your bank account, and then you can send from screen to screen. Then you can also do international money transfer, or you can request money. Now, to send money from Skrill to Wise, the option is to click on international transfer. That is to transfer money to another bank account. So when you click on international transfer, you'll be brought to this page where you'll be asked to select the amount you want to send and then the country as well as the currency that you want to send to. So you select the currency. The two currencies available are euros and dollar, and then for the receiving country you can see different currencies, so you can just select the one you want. Now, as you can see here, you can see the option deliver to bank account or pay with debit card, and then once you select deliver to bank account, uh you would have seen the you can see the write up, which is that the fee is zero, tap to pay, and they can click on continue. Now once you're taken to the next option, you can see send to myself, send to someone else, or send to business. Now my point is you cannot send money from Skrill to your Wise account. Yes, this option is not available because Wise does not support third party payment. All right, so what you can do only is you transfer money from your wallet to your bank account, and then from your bank account you can now transfer it to your Wise account. That is the only way to go about it. So I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.